This is not a house designed to impress loudly. It is designed to breathe. Every surface, every shadow, every material choice works in quiet harmony to create a feeling of calm luxury, where elegance is subtle, space is intentional, and comfort feels effortless. This modern contemporary home is not about excess. It is about balance, emotion, and refined living at its highest level. The front view sets the tone immediately. Clean geometric volumes, soft beige stone, and textured plaster form a facade that feels both modern and timeless. Subtle gold accents catch the light without demanding attention, while expansive glass hints at warmth within. Architectural lighting sculpts the structure at dusk, creating contrast and depth. This entrance does not announce luxury, it suggests it, inviting you into a home where restraint defines sophistication. The living room is the emotional core of the house. Spacious yet intimate, it balances scale with softness through plush sofas, layered textures, and warm neutral tones. Indirect lighting washes the walls gently, allowing shadows to add cinematic depth. There is no clutter, no distraction, only intentional design that encourages stillness and conversation. This is a space designed not to impress guests, but to comfort those who live within it. The master bedroom embodies restorative luxury. Muted earth tones, a textured feature wall, and soft upholstery create a hotel-like serenity. Lighting is deliberately restrained, wrapping the room in warmth rather than brightness. Every element serves rest, visually and emotionally. It feels private, grounded, and deeply personal. This is a space where design fades into feeling, and luxury becomes an experience of peace. The kitchen merges function with refined minimalism. Matte cabinetry, stone surfaces, and concealed appliances create visual continuity and calm. Brushed gold fixtures add warmth without excess, while soft under-cabinet lighting enhances depth and contrast. It is a kitchen designed for living, not displaying, where form supports function and elegance remains effortless. The mezzanine acts as a visual bridge between levels, reinforcing openness and flow. Glass railings and neutral materials maintain lightness, while curated seating transforms it into a reflective retreat. Overlooking the living space, it enhances connection without sacrificing privacy. The architecture here feels deliberate, reinforcing calm through proportion and restraint. This bathroom feels more like a private spa. Stone textures, soft lighting, and a freestanding bathtub establish a ritual of relaxation. Gold fixtures subtly elevate the space without breaking its serenity. Light and shadow play quietly across surfaces, creating a sense of depth and warmth. Luxury here is not visual noise, it is emotional relief. The front yard mirrors the home's philosophy. Minimal landscaping, natural stone paths, and soft greenery frame the architecture rather than distract from it. Ground lighting adds cinematic contrast at night, guiding movement with subtlety. This outdoor space prepares you mentally for the calm that lies inside. The rooftop is designed for quiet elevation, both physically and emotionally. Neutral finishes, low-profile seating, and warm ambient lighting create a refined retreat above the city. Open skies and controlled lighting produce a peaceful contrast, turning the rooftop into a space for reflection rather than entertainment. The working room is calm focus personified. Textured walls, a restrained palette, and indirect lighting support clarity and concentration. Gold-accented details add refinement without distraction. This is not a workspace driven by productivity alone, but by balance, where design supports mental clarity and sustainable focus. The backyard extends the home's interior language outdoors. Clean stone surfaces, minimalist furniture, and soft lighting create a seamless transition between inside and out. It is designed for slow evenings and quiet mornings, reinforcing the idea that luxury is found in moments, not materials. This modern contemporary house interior shows us that true luxury is not loud, decorative, or excessive. It is calm, intentional, and deeply human. Every space is designed to support a slower, more refined way of living, where elegance feels natural and peace is the ultimate statement. This is what calm luxury really looks like.